Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can make your audio file public on the Roblox marketplace, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your audio file public on the Roblox marketplace easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to roblox.com. You're going to log in with your account. Once you're done logging in, you're going to click on to create, and once you're here, you're going to click on to creations then, and then you're going to click on to development items here, and now here you're going to click on to audio, and then you're going to click on to upload asset here. Click upload here. Make sure the audio file is less than 7 minutes and it's less than 20 MB. Once you upload it, you're going to name it. You can also put a description on here, and then click upload. Wait for it to upload then, and once it's done uploading, now you'll have your audio file here. You're going to click onto it, and once you click onto it, you're going to scroll down on here and you'll have this distribution opened here, and you're going to click on to submit for review here. And when you click on submit for review, then Roblox will review your audio file, and once it reviews it, it will approve it if it's not breaking any rules. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to make your audio file public on the Roblox marketplace. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.